So just pretend like you're talking like this so he doesn't realize. But yeah, this fool's one fucking horny motherfucker that just can't stop jerking off. He's all, oh, rubbing it. Oh my god, if I had 5 fingers right now, I'd fist it.
Yeah.
A little bit. Ooh, man, I was almost gonna forget my darts. Really? I mean, really?
Oh my god.
Really?
Funny.
I'm posting this. My first upload I'm gonna do on YouTube is gonna be this.
You're kidding.
It's called Retard Chilling. Where's my dick? Where's my dick? There we go. Champion for 1 minute.